How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on the message icon at the bottom. Then go to the chat where you want to hide messages. Click on their name at the top. Click on options in here, which is the three dots. Click on it and you'll find restrict. Click on restrict. After you restrict the person, their access messaging you will be limited and the message has been hidden, as you can see, and it's not deleted. To find this message, you can go to request and you'll find it here. And this is how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.